Today, we're going to show you to use a useful trick to get your tire looking good as new with Blackmagic Tire Wet Foam. It's super easy, and what's cool about this product is that it works great on both wet and dry tires, so don't worry about weather or prepping your tires. First thing first, give the can a good shake. You want to make sure everything's mixed up nicely in there. Now, hold the can about 4 to 6 inches from the tire and spray the foam. Make sure you follow the curve of the sidewall to get nice even coverage. For any overspray on your wheels or the car, just grab a clean microfiber towel and wipe it right off. Let the foam sit for about 30 minutes. This helps it really set in and reduces any chance of it slinging off. And there you have it. Watch your tires shine like they're brand new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us at Blackmagic Shine on Instagram. If you got any cleaning tips, drop them in the comments below.